Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at Walmart and at Target for the week. I was really pleased with this haul because a lot of these items are items that we personally will use, and so that's exciting for me. So I'm going to tell you all the details here in just a moment. But before I get into the deals, I want to tell you about a new to me site. The site has been around for a while. I just started using it and I want to share it with you. If you watched my Walgreens video, number one, Walgreens was amazing this week. I talked about it there as well, but just in case you haven't seen it, there is a site called Slick Deals, and what it does is it shows you some of the best deals going on. And what's cool about it, well, a number of things are cool about it, but what I like is it's like a community of people who are finding deals and verifying these deals, so you know like the deal is gonna work, and I love that. But we'll also find and apply the best coupon codes for you if you have their browser extension. So I don't normally do browser extensions, but this one I love and I've been using a lot. So it's completely free, always free. I'll drop a link down below if you want to grab that browser extension. All you have to do is click on that link, super easy. But what it does is like when I'm shopping online, so let's say I go to the Walgreens website, it's gonna pop up in the right-hand corner and show me the best deals. It's gonna show me comments from other people who have bought that product or done the deal, but it's also gonna show me coupon codes and apply the best coupon code for my order. So I love, love, love that. Let me just quickly show you a few of the deals that I found using the site. First, let's talk about Walgreens. So on Sunday morning, I do my Walgreens shopping. I popped on over to the Walgreens website. Right there in the right-hand corner, Slick Deals pops up. I clicked on coupon codes because I wanted to know if there were any new ones, and a free photo coupon code popped up. Hello, free 8x10. Also, 6 free like personalized cards. That code was there too. Wouldn't have known about it otherwise, so awesome. Also, I found on the on Home Depot. So from the Slick Deals website, it popped up in like trending find. It showed me that air filters were 50% off at Home Depot, and that's legitimately when I stock up is when I see their 50% off sale. So I wouldn't have known about it otherwise. And another one that I saw was for Walmart. I figured I'd tell you about a Walmart one. A basketball marked down like 66%. So instead of $15 for the basketball, only $5. So Slick Deals alerted me to a deal that I wouldn't have known to search for otherwise. So awesome site. Check it out if you haven't already. If you want that browser extension, that way it will pop up in that corner for you and show you all the amazing deals that are happening. Grab it using the link that I will drop below. Again, completely free. All right, so let's talk about Target first because I have some ice cream down there and I really don't want it to melt on me. So I'm gonna talk about the Target deals first, and then I will talk to you about Walmart. So this Noosa, technically it is frozen yogurt, which I like even better because I feel like it's not as cold on my teeth. It is $4.49. There is a $2 Target Circle coupon that you can clip in your Target app. So you'll pay $2.49 at the register, but then look on Ibotta because there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this yogurt just 49 cents. What did I buy? I bought chocolate fudge. I mean, obviously you know I bought something chocolate. So I'm excited to try this at 49 cents. Now, this is a deal I was super excited to find in my Target Circle app. It was 50% off the Good and Gather snacking, what did they call it? Snacking plates or snacking something is what they called it. But it's like their little Lunchables, okay? So these say they're $2.29 in store, but $1.99 with same day pickup. So I was curious what it would ring at the register because a lot of times when it gives you that price for same day pickup, it'll still ring that price in store. And it did. So these little cheese pizzas are the ones I grabbed, but there were a number of different varieties. It rang $1.99. So after the 50% off Target Circle coupon that I clipped, I paid just 99 cents for these. So that's amazing if these are a type of item that you like to have in your house. 99 cents. Awesome deal. Now, also, This Simulate Nuggets. This deal is still going on. If you haven't done it, let me tell you how to get 2 boxes of these completely free. The Simulate Nuggets at Target are $4.99. You want to buy 2 boxes, okay? Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back for purchasing 2. And use the link that I will place down below for a free Simulate product. When you submit your receipt, you'll get $4.99 back there as well, making your final cost completely free for both boxes. Now, check your Target Circle app because you might also have a Target Circle offer for these nuggets. So awesome deal on the nugs. What else did I get at Target? Was that it? Just those 3 things? Well, so this is a deal you could do at either store. The Gatorade Protein Zero. Check your Fetch Rewards app if you have it. I had a free after rebate on the Gatorade Protein Zero. I actually purchased this at Walmart for $1.78 and got $1.78 back. But if you're a Target shopper and not a Walmart shopper, look and see if your store has this, and then check your Fetch app because whatever you pay for this is what Fetch is going to give you back in points. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch Rewards, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Okay, let's talk about the Walmart deals. I'm going to tell you about the frozen stuff first. That way I can then go throw this stuff back in my freezer real quick. Now, in the frozen section, there were tons of stuff marked on clearance. Like, lots of stuff. And I'll put pictures at the end of the video so you can see. But I picked up this Michelangelo's, the chicken piccata, because there's an Ibotta rebate for this one as well. So this one was marked down to $4.07. I got $1 back on Ibotta, making it $3.07. So great price if you're into frozen entrees. Now, this was not the cheapest one. There was like an eggplant parmesan that was like a couple of dollars, so that one would have been cheaper, but I knew we wouldn't eat it. In all honesty, we don't really eat freezer meals, so I have no idea if these are any good. I figured it wouldn't hurt to have it in the freezer in case we get in a bind for dinner one night. We can try it out. In general, I'm just not a fan of like frozen meals like that. But the Bird's Eye had a couple as well, like a sausage and peppers that was just over $1. And then I saw one that was like chicken and veggies. So that one actually looked pretty decent. That was also Bird's Eye, marked on clearance. So just check your clearance section if you like some of those frozen meals on hand, because a lot of them are marked on clearance. All right, let me go throw this stuff back in my freezer and I'll tell you about the rest. I knew I forgot something at Target. Don't be mad at me. So there is this Lysol laundry sanitizer. Normally $5.99. There's a $1.50 Target Circle offer. So at the register, you'll pay $4.49, but there's also an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back, making your final cost just $2.99. So you save $3 on a product that's $5.99. Pretty good deal. And when we got this on like promotion at Target not too long ago, I realized that I love the Lysol laundry sanitizer, so I went ahead and picked up another one. Okay, back to Walmart. This Temptations, remember we got this for free not too long ago. Now there is a decent offer at Walmart as well. So if you have kitties who like these, they're $2.63. There was a rebate on the Fetch Rewards app for $2.50 back, making it just 13 cents for this box. Now, the Ibotta offers were pretty amazing at Walmart this week. I did use some paper coupons that I don't normally do from this week's insert, so let me tell you about those deals. I picked up this dishwasher cleaner, the Finish, at $3.94. There was a $1 coupon in this past week's this week's Smart Source, the 814 Smart Source. So I paid $2.94 for this and then got back $1.25 on Ibotta, making it just $1.69. I really like the finished product, so I went ahead and bought 3 different ones. So this Quantum is priced at $4.12. There was a $2 coupon in this week's paper, so I paid $2.12 at the register, then got back $1.75 on Ibotta, making my final cost just 37 cents. Now, your Ibotta offer may actually be for a little bit more. I've seen other people with higher Ibotta offers than mine. Then I grabbed the Finish Power at $3.34, had a $1 coupon from this week's insert, paid $2.34 at the register, got $1 back on Ibotta, $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it just 84 cents. I used all 3 of those coupons at the same time in the same transaction, had no issues with it. They all worked beautifully. Now, this Dr. Scholl's, I picked this up at $4.97. There was a $3 coupon in the paper, so I paid $1.97. Then there's a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 72 cents. Now, I also picked up these Queen V products. We got these free and a huge moneymaker not too long ago. But if you realize that you like them, you can score a great deal on them this week as well. The wash is $3.98. There's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, as well as $2.40 back on the Shopkick app, making it just 58 cents. Now, the soap is $3.48. $1 back on Ibotta, $2.40 back on Shopkick, making this soap just 8 cents. Now, Shopkick, these other offers here I'm going to tell you about. Awesome app. I love it. It's worked great for me. Someone recently asked, like, if I'm only going to have one app, what should I have? And that was a really tough question to answer. I love the Shopkick app. Now, the Curad products. You can do one or the other. I'm going to tell you both of the deals. So $1.97, we've done this one before. There's an offer for $2.50 back on Shopkick, making it free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Now, if that offer resets, which it did for me, you can do the offer again, or you can pick up these bandages. So the Curad bandages, if you need that instead, they're $2.97. You'll get back $2.50 on Shopkick, making your final cost 47 cents for these bandages. Now, this palm olive kit, these are priced at $2.53. There's an offer on Shopkick for $2.08 back, so I paid just 45 cents for this little starter kit. Now, there's a bundle deal if your store carries the Scotch Advanced, I believe is what it's called, like dish scrubber. My store doesn't have that, so I could not do the bundle deal. I think it's a little bit better deal, even though you're paying more out of pocket, because we buy those dish brushes and use them. So that's a deal I would do if my store had them. I just picked up the soap kit at 45 cents. Now, when I was in like the grocery section, I was shopping looking for the Cheetos mac and cheese, and I noticed that this Baby Shark mac and cheese was regularly priced at 50 cents. So y'all know that's like significantly cheaper than what the Kraft mac and cheese is costing right now. I've never tried this before, but at 50 cents a box, that seemed like a good deal. So I wanted to mention it to you guys. Now, the Cheetos deal, you want to pick up 2 of them. I know I only have one here, but pick up 2 of them at $1.38 each. There's a $1 off coupon from the August 7th Smart Source, so you would pay $1.76 for both of them. Then check your Ibotta app. I had 15 cents back on each of them, so I got 30 cents back on Ibotta. My Fetch Rewards also had a 50-cent offer back, making my final cost 96 cents for both of them, or 48 cents each. The last thing I grabbed was because I tried these when they were free, and I actually really like them. It's the Origin Sparkling Water. They're $5.28 regular price. There's a Shopkick offer for $4.06 back, making my final cost $1.22 for that 6-pack of water. And I've been drinking those lately on the weekends. I really enjoy them. Now, if y'all have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. Hope y'all are having a great week. Stay tuned for some clearance pictures at the end of the video. Thanks.